Hey guys, nice to see you again. Let's start drawing. This time I will draw a hot anime boy's face at a difficult angle, in between side wheel face and the 3/4 wheel face. One of his eyes can only be seen partially. I use a free drawing app called Sketchbook. Its file tip pen is a good brush to draw outlines. I normally do not draw eyelashes when drawing boys, especially for hot anime boy. But why am I drawing eyelashes this time? Just imagine his left eye without eyelashes. How strange it will be by just seeing his eyeball there. When outline his hair, there are 3 steps. First, decide how thick his hair will be. Second, divide his hair into big sections. When drawing each of the sections, we need to refine his hair into small pieces. If you look at the right-hand side reference photo, you will see all his hair falls down from a separation line at the top of his head, so we know in what direction we should draw his hair. On top of that, we also refine his hair's movement to create the effect that he just turned around his head and looking at you. Some of his hairs went a bit more than the others, so they overlap each other. Once we're done with sections, the third step is to separate his hair into layers. The purple color is the bottom layer, and the blue color is the middle layer. Then I added another layer on top, which is indicated in green color. I even added a 4th layer, which is in red. In conclusion, the 3 key words when drawing hair are volume, sections, and layers. How to draw eyes was a separate video to talk about. Please check the description below. In the intermediate tutorial playlist, you can find a dedicated video for eye drawing. Now I will talk about how to add shadows and highlights. Do you worry about you may pick the wrong color to shade? I did. But soon I found I can always reduce the opacity of the questionable color to 75% to let the base color at the bottom to appear a bit, which will make the color transition smooth. Another secret way to make color transition seamless is to use the flow airbrush from the basic category. It's very light and mixes very well. For example, did you notice the skin color on his face is no longer a single color? The color closer to his ear appears a bit redder? Yes, that's because I used the flow airbrush. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like the video or subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.